Hey guys, oh wait, let me just have those taken off. Okay, so that's sort of a... Oh, I have Cookie Kitten's old skin. Okay, we'll go this way. Was it this trait? What the heck is this? Oh, a chicken. Let me just adjust my camera. Yes, much better. There's apparently a little chicken here. Okay, don't really think that this is good. I think I'm gonna leave this game. Then browse in Roblox. Don't know what I could play. Ooh, perhaps this game. This game right here seems pretty good. Never mind. How about Clone Tycoon? Help. Let me play this. Finally! Thank goodness. I'll be right back. Just logging into the game right now. Apparently it's loading. Can I play? I don't have a game to load. That seems like a good plot. Okay. Let me just move. Okay. And then this. Okay. Very nice. I really need to change this skin. I'm gonna leave this game real quick and then I'll rejoin it in a minute. And then, go and change the avatar. So this is Cookie Kitten's up. Oh, look at this. I need that. He kind of looks like my pet. Should I keep that body on? Sure. What's this? Maybe I'll need to go shopping for character parts. Let's see what they have in the shop. I'll be back in a little while, and you'll see me with my new and improved avatar. And here's a new avatar. It's pretty nice, ain't it? This is the best I could do. I know it doesn't look exactly like me, but it's pretty close. Anyway, let's get on to more games. You know what, I'm just gonna do see y'all so I can just go down. How about this thing called Koala Cafe? Pretty cool. Okay, I've just got on this ship, and something is happening. Koalas are bringing me to this area. Why am I standing up there too? What? What? Okay. I'm so confused with this game so far. Okay. Let me read this to you. Welcome. Thank you for visiting the Koala Cafe. Before you play, there are some things you should know. Spamming of any kind is not allowed. Trolling and or usage of exploit in any way are explicitly prohibited. Forbidden, whatever. And if caught, you will likely be permanently banned from visiting. Okay, I'm not gonna read all of this. Anyway, if you wanted to, it was up there long enough for you to pause the video and go look at it. Welcome to Koala Cafe, the only cave where koala work. There's koala workers here. Oh, this is sort of like a roleplay game. Okay. This is very confusing. Like, what the heck? Okay, I might come back, revisit that later, but for now, okay, it's getting pretty difficult to use all of this with my paws. I think that'll be the end of our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe and do all of the things. And remember to comment what you would like me to name you guys for it to be called. I saw one comment a few videos ago that said ice bears, but I haven't seen any other comments than that. So, thank you for commenting, whoever you are, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.